Build your personal brand. As part of your personal branding, you need to craft and tell a story, your founding story. Because a good founding story helps your prospects, your perfect customer resonate with you and your values. Your branding story is powerful because it puts a human face on your business. People naturally love and are engaged by stories. A good story offers one more way to communicate your values. Stories engender trust because they explain your why. People relate to stories, especially when they see themselves in the story. Your founding story is essential to the growth of your business. It is a story that you absolutely must tell. People need to hear your story of how your brand came to be. Your first thoughts might be just like my first thoughts. How do I do that? How do I even start to write my story? Well, here's a simple 5-part formula that works. I've used this to tell my story, and numerous customers of mine have used it to help structure their branding story. First, describe what was seemingly an insurmountable problem you were dealing with. Remember, your audience, your perfect customer, is dealing with the same or similar problem. Second, describe the frustrations you were going through. And be sure to add your emotions so people can see and hear and feel the emotion, the trauma that you were going through. Third, you came up with a simple idea to solve your problem and thought, what have I got to lose? I'll give it a try. Fourth, describe how the idea worked for you and the results you obtained, how much better your life is now. Fifth, you're here to guide others in how to overcome similar challenges that they are facing so that they can live a better life. Of course, this isn't the only formula to structure a good founding story. However, the above story formula is powerful because it says, I overcame your problem and I can help you to solve it also. Are you ready to work on your founding story? Not sure where to begin? Then I invite you to contact me to discuss your founding story so that you can use your story to inspire others and connect with your ideal client. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and my contact information is in the notes below. Until next time, this is business marketing coach Gary McKinsey reminding you to live your life according to your vision for your life.